Hey guys, what's up? I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. My name is Martijn. Let's quickly dive into this week's watch list to see what's going on in the markets and what I'm anticipating on for this week. So first of all, let's kick it off with euro dollar. Euro dollar, same scenario. It looks like it's going up now and it can take out these highs. Overall, it's still bullish. The DXY is still bearish, so I think this one can hop over to TP3 and after that maybe make a pullback from there. So I'm expecting more upside for euro dollar for now. Let's go to the DXY to analyze that one. So for the DXY, like I said, it's moving a little bit down. We created this minor demand in here, but overall the price action looks like it is going to break down and it's going to these lower levels in here. For now, it's still a little bit slow, but I'm expecting more downside for the dollar and more upside for the other pairs. So let's go to AUDUSD. And for AUDUSD, we had a short running. It was running slightly in profit. Currently, it is back around break even. I'm still expecting more downside, but overall, it is still pretty bullish. So if we analyze it, we have another zone in here, like a minor demand zone. We can still visit that one. If we visit that one, we're going to place a break even. We're just going to play it safe. For now, like I said, the DXY is pretty bearish. So this one is a little bit more volatile, like a little bit more ranging instead of just dropping straight from the zone. But I'm still very bearish actually on AUDUSD, but we're just gonna keep an eye on it for this week to see what's going to happen there. For NZDUSD, it's currently a little bit bearish, but since the dollar is still bearish, NZD can still move up slightly. For now, we have a minor zone where we're in right now, so we broke this high in here, and we are currently inside of this zone. So I want to see what's going to happen from here. We still have like bigger zones down there, so if the DXY makes a move up, this one can easily drop down. For now, we're in between both sides, so we have like a supply zone in here, and we have a demand zone in here. There's a minor demand zone and a bigger supply zone. So for now, I'm not really doing anything. I'm either waiting for this demand to be hit or to take out more highs and to take some longs from there. Go to gold. And for gold, it came out of a supply zone on the 0.75 level, like we said last week. It hit it, it broke a little bit above that, tried to reach into the zone. For now, it is going to our demand zone, so I'm keeping an eye on this demand zone right here, seeing what's going to happen there, maybe eventually even take a long from there. For now, I think we can still be a little bit bearish for this week, maybe even next week. After that, we can get a little bit more volatility and eventually break out of this range. Could be to the upside, could be to the downside. For now, I'm just watching this zone to take a long, to take us to the upside. If this one breaks, we're gonna get a new counter zone basically to take us to the downside. So I'm carefully watching what's going to happen inside of this zone. And lastly, analyze the Bitcoin real quick. For the Bitcoin, like I said, we broke this high. We could visit the lower end of this zone. It happened, it broke it actually, and currently it is moving up. Like I said last week, we could visit this lower end and then slightly move up. For now, we broke this 4-hour trend line and we create the new demand zone. It doesn't really tell us a lot. I want to see this demand zone being hit and make like a further up move before I can say that it could break these 65,000, 66,000 level, something like that. For now, it's just stuck in this range. So I'm just waiting what it's going to do. Either way, break this high in here or visit the zone and maybe move up from there. For now, I'm just watching this zone and see what's going to happen from there. Long term, I'm still looking to place like big longs all the way down here, like 40, 50K level. But yeah, let's just analyze it. What's going to do this week and next week, and if it wants to go down, then these are the zones I'm watching. For now, it could easily move up again because we have like bullish pressure. We broke the trend line. So yeah, I'm just watching this and see what's going to happen from there. And yeah, that's basically it, guys, for this watch list for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another watch list. So keep an eye on that. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos.